Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video about day trading futures. Today's video, we're going to be recapping our trades of the day as well as having a little bit of a celebration because we have met the profit target for step 2 of the Combine account. If you've been tuning in at all over the past week and a half or 2 weeks or so, you know that we have been live streaming the TOPSTEP process. A little background on what TOPSTEP is: it's basically a way to trade capital risk-free. All you do is you go through TOPSTEP, you prove to them that you can trade by doing a 2-step process, and then once you pass the process, which is called the Combine, they give you funds to trade with. You split the profits 80-20. The first 5K is yours. So that's what I'm currently doing. I've been trading the $150,000 account, meaning I will have 15 contracts to trade once I'm funded. If you are interested in any of the rules or want to learn more, there's a link down below for 20% off of the Combine. So I just passed step 2 today. We are still waiting on them to update. We have about an hour and a half until they update the dashboards, but here's the dashboard until today. This is including yesterday. So I did it on day 6. I hit the profit target on day 6. I still have to meet the minimum trading days, which is 10. So I still need to enter and exit a trade for 4 more days, and I'll be officially through with step 2. But since these aren't really trading days, these are just a quick in and out, I won't be streaming any more of step 2. This is the very last video of the $150,000 step 2 Combine challenge. So let's look at some stats leading up to today, and then we can talk about what happened today. So leading up to today, we had, let's see here, an average net P&L of $1,100. Our average winning trade percentage was 73%. We were green 80% of the days. We had one losing day for $2,780. We were allowed to lose $3,000 on this account. Anything more than $3,000 and you fail. So we had 2,000, 2,000 minus 28, and then plus 285, and then plus 4,266 yesterday, and then today plus 3,637. I guess actually a little less than that. 3,567 after commissions. $70 of commissions, right? 0 losing trades today. Everything we had was a winner. Average trade time was 10 minutes. So just like that, we are done with step 2, meeting our profit goal. The next part of this process will be to complete the pro account, get $5,000 there, which is real money. I get to profit that $5,000. Once I'm done with the pro account, we'll move over to the funded account. The reason they do that is because a lot of people end up failing out. They get greedy or whatever, and the pro account is still like you can go back to step 2 afterwards. So that's kind of the process. Basically, if you're in the pro account, you're trading for real money. So this is where it starts to count. Very excited. Let's look at the actual trades. We took a trade pre-market starting at 7:15. I had to hop on stream early this morning due to some meetings and things like that. Netted $170 there. Then the open candle took a 2-lot long, ended up like 540 after both of these trades combined. And then we got in heavy on the VWAP bounce. And that's where everything just drastically changed. We also got long here. So we got long here for several $100s, and then long here for 1,000 or something like that. Maybe 1,000 here and 1,000 here. Something. It was along those lines. One tiny little scalp over here as well. But yeah, guys, today was the day of the value rotation on the Nasdaq. All day it was bouncing between value area high and value area low up until this FOMC movement caused the value area to expand. But it was just rotating back and forth, which is what yesterday's video was on. So if you watched yesterday's video, you were prepped very well for today on the Nasdaq. So GG's to you. I only took longs today because the Nasdaq looked super strong. I didn't want to have any of these short rotations because I didn't want it to rip face, which it ended up doing, right? I wanted to get in at the bottom of the rotation and ride it up in case we ended up mooning. but I did not want to short any of these rotational plays. So longs only for me today, and it worked out very nicely. So that being said, we're sitting at $159,352.10 on the account. I'll be going in and out for one trade during low volatility times these next 4 days, and then we will be live streaming the TOPSTEP account, pro account, just like we were doing for step 2, both on Twitch and here on YouTube. So if you have enjoyed this process, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. I genuinely appreciate all of you tuning in with me. The goal of doing this, while I have had TOPSTEP accounts before, I have a personal account, it just makes sense to show you, the viewer, that you can get funded trading for futures. You don't need a very large capital base in order to do this. The 150K combine is like $350. It's like $300 after the 20% discount code, which is down below. And then you get access to 15 contracts, $3,000 of drawdown. It's a great way to one, practice trading, make sure your trading and your rules are all on point. But two, just a great way to get $5,000, which is 100% yours, and then 80-20 after that. So just wanted to showcase that it can be done live for you, the viewers, and that it's very helpful and a good reminder for me even. So I hope you've enjoyed this little mini series as it's wrapping up. Step 2 is wrapping up here. We're only going to bigger and better things with the pro account and the funded account, and I hope you stay tuned for all of that. Make sure you check out the link down below, which is tradesbymatt.com. That has a link to all of my socials, whether it be Twitter, Instagram. And also, you can watch my Twitch streams live from that link, or go follow me and subscribe to me on Twitch, as well as here on YouTube. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video and live stream. We are live every morning at Market Open, 8:30 Central. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.